All right. So Jen is looking for a company to clean her vents. She wants to know how often should she have it done, and what should she look for in a vent cleaning company, Brad? That's the first part of her
Yeah.
question.
Okay. Well, how frequently, that's going to be a personal choice. I know that a lot of the new construction homes, people find out they're really dusty and dirty, and there's just things that they get gunked up pretty quickly. So if you built a home recently and have moved in, you may want to have the vents cleaned out there. Beyond that, some houses are just dustier than others. If you're regularly changing your filters out, and you're trapping everything at the point that's the filter's catching it, you're probably in good shape. But if you're not in practice of that, if your filters collapse and you look down into the return vent, the part that the air is pulled into from your, say, your living room or bedroom, and you see a lot of black and dirt in there, it might be time to talk to a duct cleaner
And
at that
what
point.
should she look for in a duct cleaner? Are they licensed or they're
No, there's not any licensing, but it's funny because I know lots and lots and lots of people that clean ducts, but some of the very best ones are those folks who are technically knowledgeable about HVAC systems. One of my HVAC contractors does a really great job with duct cleaning because he uses the right type of equipment and he knows how to get into all of the ducts without damaging anything. Or you can also find those people who are very skilled at, say, mold remediation or restoration services because they tend to be very, very thorough in their cleaning. I would be careful. I'd be wary of anybody who is using compressed air to do cleaning. There are systems that the better ones have vacuums, and they may have little brushes or spinning. Like, I don't want to call them chains because they're not damaging anything, but they're breaking things loose as they go through. Keep in mind, you can only clean ducts that are a solid, so the metals. You can't clean flexible ductwork. So if you've got a lot of that flex duct in your attic stretch from point A to point B, that can't be cleaned without damaging it. So you can really only do the true ductwork that's made out of metal or other solid materials.
and what about dryer vent cleaning? Because that's an offshoot. Yeah.
So dryer vent cleaning, it kind of depends on what you have. It's interesting because we were looking at some pictures the other day of literally a snake of the foil type of dryer vent. That's just pull it off, throw it away kind of stuff. It just needs to be replaced. If you're using the semi-rigid, the aluminum metal type of ductwork, then you can. There are devices that you can get. You can probably just stick a vacuum into the pipe depending on how long of a run it is, or you can buy different devices at the hardware store that allow you to go in, 6 or 8 feet in, and it's got like a nylon brush at the end and you can pull it through. But there are companies that specialize in dryer vent cleaning as well, and they can make sure that the vent is completely cleaned out. And then if the pipe needs to be replaced, they can replace those dryer vent. The vent pipes as well, the flexible pipes. They can do that at the same time that they're cleaning the exterior vents.
If you want to send us an email, if you're looking for a dryer vent or ductwork cleaning, send me an email, bob@wesellouisville.com, and we'll get some name suggestion for you.